Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here from Rocoren. If you're like me, you have so many different devices. Like here I have my headphone thing and I just don't have enough places to plug in the thing. So I'm always unplugging one thing, plugging in another and doing that. So especially with all the USB devices I have, my phone chargers, my laptop, everything plugs in, my lights by my computer, everything's charging in through that. So I have this here, the Rocoren, and it is a hub. So I just want to take everything out of here. I'll take out the instructions in case we need it for anything. But it comes with a plug here, so you're gonna be able to get some distance on it. So I can put this. The goal is to have this sitting on my desk, and then everything can plug into it. So I'll show you guys how it works here. Let me just plug this in. Do I have a? See, my problem. All my extension cords and everything are kind of. I just don't have enough for anything. I have to unplug something else to plug this in. But not for long. Okay, so here we go. I have this currently plugged in. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here. This is the Rocoren right there. You see it's got the name on it, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 USB-C ports and 3 traditional USB ports. And what's cool about this one here's got a ridiculous amount of power. I'll tell you, I think it was like ports 1 and 3 are going to give you like 100 watts of power. Yeah, and then the other ones all have different varying amounts as well. 65 watts on 2, so you could plug in your laptop in here and have a good. It looks like the laptop will be supported on all 4 of these. Are going to be super higher power. These ones here are slightly less, so I can plug in my charger for my headphones and things like that in there. But look at that. This is going to give me all the ports I need. How nice is this going to be? So I can actually have things plugged in. I have my lights and stuff like that all plugged in there too. I mean, everything. I mean, I'm sitting here with this camera here, and it's still sitting here with that little plug. I had to unplug it because I'm plugging in this. So now I can just plug everything into here. This one here is just a traditional USB. So I'm going to plug that camera in here, and then it's going to be there. And you see it's already lighting up, so it's giving it the power for this. I can plug in my headphones here. Oh, this one's here USB too. Actually, I think it was USB-C, but I had to switch the plug because I didn't have enough for it. And now this one here, see, it was already discharged. So now I'll be able to charge that up. So how cool is that? I'm going to be able to charge all my stuff and have things all plugged in correctly and nice and clean, and we are good. So super cool. If you guys need a hub for USB-C and stuff, this one here is great. I've used this one, similar one before, but this one here is great. It's got so many ports, so much power. Awesome. Thumbs up for sure. Pick up the Rocoren, and you won't be disappointed for sure.